Sukiyaki may be famous in Japanese cuisine, but in modern Japan, opportunities to eat it have decreased. Instead, I often make Nikudoufu. Nikudoufu is easy to make and contains less sugar. Let's get started. Slice one onion thinly like this. Put it in a pot. Add 50 ml of mirin. Mirin is essential to Japanese dish. It adds gentle sweetness to the dish. Keep and cook at medium heat for 5 minutes. The alcohol and mirin will evaporate. Onions become sweeter when heated. It tastes delicious even without adding a lot of sugar. Add 100 grams of shimeji mushrooms. Next is yaki tofu. Yaki tofu is made by removing the moisture from tofu and grilling the surface. It is suitable for stew dishes because it does not fall apart when boiled and flavor absorbs well. Cut the thinly sliced beef into easy-to-eat pieces and spread it out. Sprinkle with 1 teaspoon sugar, 50 ml soy sauce. Then add 300 ml of Japanese-style soup stock. I'll show you how to make a simple Japanese-style soup stock at the end. Cook on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Meat and vegetables cooked through. Add green vegetables. For example, green onions and mitsuba leaves. Today I used celery leaves. Finally, beat and add 2 eggs as it's done. Cook the eggs with the residual heat. The tofu in this dish is steeped in the flavor of the meat and Japanese-style stock. Here's how to make simple Japanese-style soup stock. Put 5 grams of carrot and 7 grams of onion into a cup and pour 350 ml of boiling water. Leave it for 15 minutes and strain. The Japanese-style soup stock used in today's dish is now ready. Give it a try.